Hi there. So I just want to quickly show you how to use the book brainstorming template that I have linked to in the course. It's right here, and I've just uploaded it to Google Drive. You can use your own Excel program or just use Google Drive. It's free. The way it works is in the left column here. You should write down the category of the idea that you've had. So I've written down pets as a category, and then I've listed different topics in the pets category. Here I have the addiction category. I've listed alcohol, Facebook, heroin addiction, and then you can continue on category 3, 4, 5. Just come up with your own. Yes, and then this section right here is what you use in the next video where we evaluate all the ideas that we have gotten. So we're going to look at that in the next video, so don't think about that now. Here, notes is if you have something you want to remind yourself of about the topic, the idea for later on, you write it down here. This is for later. You can use it when you come up with a book title. You can write it in here. And this is to link to competitors. So if you come across someone that you want to create a book that is similar, you can paste the link in here so you can find it later on. So just as for reference, I have here my Healing Solved book, and this is the title I ended up using, and this is a link for a competitor. You can just take a look here. So this is my competitor, and up here I have written down the pen name I've used for this category. So for this category is Trisha Jenkins. So you should write down, it's not necessary right now, but later on in the course where you learn about pen names, you can write that down here. So you can use this spreadsheet for the whole process, just from brainstorming up until when you have the final books ready. So yep, that is it for the brainstorming template.